first video, and here we have some household things and a fun manner to learn that whether the substance are acidic or basic. As you can see, the apparatus here are a turmeric paper, means I took a paper and I have painted it with turmeric powder or turmeric powder solution. I took soap, I took lemon. Now theoretically you must have learned or you must have heard that soaps are basic in nature, lemons are acidic in nature, but by doing this activity we will prove it that yes, soaps are basic and lemons are acidic, and certain substance others also you can try by yourself at your home. Very easy method, just take a paper, paint it with turmeric and you get a turmeric pH indicator as shown here. Now I will take a soap strip which is dipped in water and I am going to try to write something or put it on the paper. As soap is basic, we will see that, look, it is turning my turmeric paper into red color. More basic, more deep red color. It will give red strips. Visible? Yes. Same time, I am taking a lemon. We all know lemons are acidic. It is going to get on the paper, but as we can see, there is no change in the color when the lemon is rubbed on the turmeric paper. Thus, we can clearly observe that the acid part remains as it is, while the basic part turns brick red. This proves that base reacts with turmeric to give brick red color, but acid does not react with the turmeric and the color does not change. Very easy method to learn about acidic and basic nature of the substance.
To enroll in the classroom program of Be Unique Academy, you can contact to the details given on the screen and in the description box. Hoping that this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, press the like button. Also do share it with your friends. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for being updated with more videos. Thank you.